Hello, good day. Today we are going to be looking at mapping in Dart. So first, we are going to use a statement like this. Mapping have two things. Mapping have key and it has a value. So this is the key and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. So let's say we want to look at the details of a student. Let's say student. So what we are going to be writing inside here is all the full details of a student. So let's write the student ID. Let's say ID 1 2 3 4. Then let's say student name, the name of student. Let's just say easy. Then let's say student age, that's the age of the student. Let's say 14. Let's say 14. Then let's say the address. Let's say Lagos. Then let's add one more thing. Let's add a phone number. Let's add a phone number. So let's say 08161739345. So let's put it like this. Let's do an end of statement. We have not yet added an end of statement. That is why we are still seeing an error here. So let's do an end of statement. Now let's print student. Let's print student. So once we print student, it's going to give us this full information. So this is it. This is the ID 1 2 3 name, easy, age, and blah blah blah. Then let's say, for example, we want to only print one particular key. We want to print only one particular value or key. So we'll just come here and put a square bracket. Then we are going to write what we want to print. Maybe let's say phone number. Only phone, that is what we need. So if we run this code now, it's going to only print the phone number. It's going to only print the phone number, which we can see here. This is the phone number. Then let's say we are only looking for the ID of the student, or just the name. Let's say name, the name of the student. If we run this code, it's going to only print easy, which is the name of the student. We can see it here. Then let's say we want to change this easy that is here. Maybe we did not get the name right and we want to change the name to another thing. So let's just say Victor. Let's just say Victor. Let's just do something like this. We are going to call student. We are going to call student name. What are we changing? The name. What are we changing the name to? We are going to change the name to John. Then we'll put an end of statement here. Then let's print student again. So print student and end of statement. If we run this code now, sorry, our student is with capital letter, that is why it threw an error. So if we run this code, is going to print name John. It's going to print everything. Now we can see that he printed the ID correctly, but when he got to name, the name was no more easy. We changed it to John because of what we did here. If we see the age still remains 14 because of we did not change it. So let's say we want to change the address. We'll just come here and say, okay, students, what are we changing? We are changing the address. What are we changing the address to? Let's say Abuja. If we run this code, easy is going to come back. You see, easy came back, but the address was changed to Abuja. So let's say, okay, we want to remove everything in this box, everything that we have done in this box. We can quickly do something like this. Student dot clear. If we run this code, everything is going to go out of that box except from the curly braces. Where is this? So let's say we want to count the students. Like for example, let's say there are hundreds of value here, keys and values here. We cannot start counting them manually like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to take us time. So we can come here and say print student dot length. If we run it, it's going to just print how many is 5 here. So we are going to see 5 here. Can you see? So if we add another thing for students, let's say we add school for students. Let's say we add school for students. Then let's call it, let's just say Open University. Open University. Since we have another key and value here, remember I told you that school is the key. The one at the left hand is the key. The one at the right hand is the value. So let's say, since now this is no more 5, this is 6. So let's run this stuff. It's going to change to 6 here. It's going to change to 6 here. Can we see it? 6. It changed to 6. So let's say we only want to print the key. That is only this ID name. Just only want to print the keys. We can put students.keys. So if we run this code, we are going to only see ID, name, age, phone, and school. The ones that is in the left hand side. Can we see it? So let's say we only want to print the values. We can say values, student.values. So we are going to see it here. We are going to only see 1, 2, 3, easy, 14. Now, this is it. Then in order to print everything again, we just say print student. So this is all for mapping. This is all for mapping. This is all for mapping.